water.
Oh, I'm like, what?
Okay, I'm gonna put mine in because she's not ready. Ready, set, go.
You're starting without me. What a bad friend.
I'm not a bad friend. I really want to show you how to make. Okay, that's it. Well,
No, that's it. That's a lot.
no, it looks like a lot. And this is my spoon. Wait, no.
Oh, we need to wipe our spoons.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't care. So, now what do we do? Add the shaving cream, right?
She doesn't know how to make fluffy slime.
I do, but I forgot. Add the shaving cream, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. No, that's last. You were about to pour it in.
Yes. I'm not trying to be a bad friend, but I really want to believe like you, Jojo Siwa. I want to do stuff
What
like
if she
you.
didn't make it this far to the video? Like, she stopped in the beginning.
I hope you make it this far.
And she
Jojo.
never clicked on this video. So sad!
Okay, now
Jojo Siwa, before we made this video, we listened to all your songs.
now I'm gonna put the shaving cream.
Oh my god, this is getting even better. It's pokey. It's getting pokey. They can't see the camera. They can't see what you're doing.
No, okay. Does this look fluffy, Jojo Siwa?
No.
And more shaving cream.
She's weird. Comment down below. What do you think? What do you think? What? Where? Oh! What are you doing? Comment down below. Comment down below. Where do you guys think we got all these stuff from?
House, school, or store?
Wait, what did you say?
House, school, or store?
Okay, I'll give you a hint. We did not get it from the
School.
house. Oh my gosh, you just gave it away! Because I said house and you said school. Oh my god.
It's not from school.
It's
It's not from school.
just kidding. It's from the store. Sorry. Don't comment that. Okay, comment down below.
Everything is awesome. Yes, guys.
Guys, we're never gonna make giveaways. We're not that rich. You know what? Add more glue. Just add it. That's a lot for a tiny piece.
Why? I don't really want that much time.
There.
I don't want that much time.
If I was so little, I would be our EAN. Oh, my favorite song is Boomerang. I'm coming back like a boomerang.
Me too. And if Miranda, if you're seeing this too, I hate you.
Why would you say
Not today.
that?
I love you, Miranda. You make the best videos ever.
Oh, and I love the movie that you made.
yeah,
Epic.
yes, we love you. We want to see you one day. I hope you post something for us. And the hate you thing was just a joke because
Haters back off.
yes, because that's what that's about your video, and that's what we love about you, that you make videos. And I hope you seen this video.
Oh, and how's your baby going?
Yeah. She has a baby, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Was it a boy or a girl?
I forgot. And please say if it's a boy or girl because we forgot. And
If you don't, then we're just gonna find out.
yeah, maybe we're gonna find out. Maybe. And I hope you see the video.
Oh my gosh, we're making a mess here. Is this mine? Yeah.
And I hope you have.
Throw your garbage away.
No, I'm gonna use it still. I hope you still have a fun day and make slime. Enjoy yourself. And
I love your baby.
yeah, it's cute. And we want to see you again in another video sometime.
In real life.
Yes. Can you stop interrupting me?
You interrupted me.
And I hope you've seen this video until the end. And I hope you click on it if you've seen it. So, yeah.
Yeah. And we're in the kitchen.
Yeah. Any more activator?
Ever since I was a little, I was B-R-E-A-M.
Yeah.
What was that? Guys, you're not seeing any steps she's doing. But guys, first add the glue, then the Tide, or whatever you have to.
Or Gain works kind of better, but sometimes it doesn't work.
Me and my cousin use Tide, and it's always stretchy and pokey. Want to make a TikTok after this?
Yeah.
We haven't made TikToks in
In a long
while.
time.
Yeah.
What about Musically?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
I like TikTok better.
Yeah. Comment down, TikTok or Musically?
I go with TikTok and she goes with
TikTok.
yeah. We love the both thing. We're besties, and I hope you seen this video. But we're just gonna show you in fast mode.
Okay, fast mode.
So,
Was that a rat? I heard a rat.
I bet.
Oh my god. No, just kidding. There's no rats here. If you guys heard that, then thank you. I'm getting freaked out.
Guys, I made too much slime.
Okay, stop laughing, or I'm gonna do another one. Okay. Oops. I was literally doing this. Oh no, my other slime. I'm gonna put my other.
Where's my other slime?
That was weird. I'm like, where's my other? Oh. Okay. Guys, she's not showing you any. Get out of my way. Shoot. Okay, now mix it. No, I'm just gonna mix it by myself.
Okay.
You guys don't need to see it. Oh my gosh, as soon as I got the glue with the... Oh my gosh, it looks like mint. Guys, I made toothpaste. This is actually a recipe for toothpaste. Try to make it. No, guys, just kidding. Don't. This is not how to make toothpaste. We're actually making slime.
Well, let's see if we can try to make toothpaste someday, but it's gonna be slime toothpaste.
And we gotta put like gum on it.
Edible slime. Okay, Miranda, if you're seeing this, and Jojo say, well, we're gonna try to post you an edible slime making challenge, blindfolded.
Blindfold. Okay. Edible slime challenge, but we gotta figure out how to make it. So
I don't know how to make it. You need to put like.
don't spill it. If you want to spill it out,
I put too much glue in here.
Guys, this is how stretchy mine is. I did not them. It smells like Tide.
It smells good. I'm gonna put some. Mine's is not that pokey anymore. I'll get some more glitter.
Guys, if you hate our YouTube channel, no hate, okay? Don't comment.
Ding dong. It's just game.
Yeah. It's my sister's game. Jazz! What are you playing?
I'm not playing, I'm watching.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know. I thought she was playing Roblox.
She is.
No, she's watching YouTube. What if she's watching our YouTube channel? Ouch!
I'm watching
she's watching the cat. The Tom the cat from.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some more glue to it. Look at how
Guys, this is actually mint. Just JK, it's mint. It's not slime. No, it's mint. It's mint. I mean, it's slime. Guys, why did that kid eat his homework? Comment down below. And then I'll tell you the joke next video.
So guys, thank you for watching, and we're gonna, you know what?
What?
We're gonna finish the video.
I touched it. Okay, guys, comment down below the rest of the joke. Why did the kid eat his homework?
And if you thought this was good, please tell us. We don't want to wait. Just tell us right now.
Yeah, and also tell us the other part. Why did the kid eat his homework? That's all I'm talking about. Okay? Because it was a blank.
You better figure it out.
Yeah.
And we'll show you the rest of. We'll show you. We'll show you our marathon of slime.
If you get the answer right, you will get a shout out.
3 shout outs. 1 shout out to her cousins. 1 shout out to my friends. Perla. Of course, Perla. You know. And 1 shout out to my friend Christina too. And you know who.
Who?
Nobody else, because I hate the rest of my friends. Well, also shout out to Emily and everybody that I know. Please see this. Perla, you're the best. Thank you. You're just the best.
Okay. Pearl, if you want to be in my videos, then go to Lily's house and I'll bring my phone and we'll make the video.
So Perla, I hope you see this. So bye. Ding it on, ding it on, ding it on, dun dun dun, ding it on. Bye bye, guys. Okay.
Love you all. Mwah. Ew.
Shout outs. Yeah.
Finish the joke, okay? Thank you. Bye.
Shout outs, you know to who. See it.